Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are comparing 5 top wireless earbuds in 2026, Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, Beats Fit Pro, Google Pixel Buds Pro, Jabra Elite 7 Pro, and Sony WF-1000XM5. I'll break down their performance, battery life, daily use experience, and help you find the right earbuds for you. Watch till the end to see which budget phone truly delivered the best value ever. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite budget phone below. Let's begin. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The sound and performance. These earbuds deliver crisp, clear audio whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls. They also have active noise cancellation, which means background noise fades away, making your experience much more immersive. Now, about the battery. On a single charge, you get around 8 hours of playtime, and with the charging case, it stretches up to 28 hours. That's more than enough for a full day of use or a weekend trip. For daily use, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are super comfortable. They fit snugly in your ears, are lightweight, and are easy to connect to Samsung phones or any Bluetooth device. Touch controls let you play, pause, or skip songs with a tap, no phone needed. Pros and cons. Pros: great sound quality, long battery, comfortable fit, and noise cancellation. Cons: slightly expensive, and some features work best with Samsung devices. Conclusion. Overall, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are a solid choice if you want premium sound, comfort, and battery life in one compact package. If you're looking for earbuds that make daily listening a joy, these are worth considering. Sony WF-1000XM5. Starting with sound and performance, these earbuds deliver clear, balanced audio that makes music, podcasts, and calls sound amazing. They come with active noise cancellation, which blocks out background noise so you can focus on what you're listening to. When it comes to battery life, you get about 8 hours on a single charge, and the compact charging case gives you up to 24 hours total. That's enough to last through a busy workday or a long commute. For daily use, the WF-1000XM5 is lightweight and fits comfortably in most ears. The touch controls are easy to use, tap to play, pause, skip songs, or answer calls. Pairing with your phone is simple, and they work well with both Android and iOS devices. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent sound quality, effective noise cancellation, comfortable fit, and decent battery life. Cons: slightly expensive and some features work best with Sony devices. Conclusion. Overall, the Sony WF-1000XM5 are perfect for anyone who wants premium sound, comfort, and convenience in a small package. If you value audio quality and daily ease of use, these earbuds are worth checking out. Jabra Elite 7 Pro. Let's start with sound and performance. The Jabra Elite 7 Pro offers clear, balanced audio that works great for music, calls, and videos. They also feature advanced noise cancellation, which reduces background sounds so you can focus on what you're listening to. There's even a transparent mode, allowing outside sounds in when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Next, the battery life. On a single charge, these earbuds last around 8 hours, and with the charging case, you get up to 30 hours total. That's perfect for long workdays, workouts, or travel without worrying about recharging constantly. For daily use, the Elite 7 Pro is super comfortable and lightweight. They fit securely in most ears and stay in place during movement. The touch controls are intuitive, tap to play, pause, skip songs, or answer calls. Pairing is simple and works well with both Android and iOS devices. The earbuds are also water resistant, making them suitable for workouts or rainy days. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent sound, strong noise cancellation, long battery life, comfortable fit, and durable design. Cons: slightly larger charging case and some features work best with the Jabra Sound Plus app. Conclusion. Overall, the Jabra Elite 7 Pro is a solid choice if you want reliable earbuds for music, calls, and everyday use. With great sound, comfort, and long battery life, they're perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their audio experience without overcomplicating things. Google Pixel Buds Pro. Starting with sound and performance, the Pixel Buds Pro delivers clear, balanced audio that makes music, podcasts, and calls sound great. They also feature active noise cancellation, which reduces background noise so you can focus on what you're listening to. And if you need to hear your surroundings, the transparency mode lets outside sounds in without taking out your earbuds. When it comes to battery life, these earbuds last about 7 hours on a single charge with noise cancellation on, and the charging case extends the total to around 20 hours. That's enough to get through a workday or a long trip without worrying about recharging. For daily use, the Pixel Buds Pro are lightweight, comfortable, and fit securely in most ears. Touch controls let you play, pause, skip songs, adjust volume, or answer calls easily. Pairing with your phone is quick, especially if you're using an Android device. They're also water-resistant, making them great for workouts or rainy days. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent sound, effective noise cancellation, comfortable fit, and reliable battery life. Cons: some features work best with Android devices, and battery life is slightly lower compared to some competitors. Conclusion. Overall, the Google Pixel Buds Pro are a great choice if you want high-quality sound, comfort, and convenience in your daily life. Whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing at home, these earbuds deliver a premium audio experience in a compact package. Beats Fit Pro. Let's start with sound and performance. The Beats Fit Pro delivers punchy, clear audio that works great for music, podcasts, and calls. They also come with active noise cancellation, which helps reduce background sounds, so you can focus on what you're listening to. If you want to stay aware of your surroundings, transparency mode lets outside sounds in without taking out the earbuds. When it comes to battery life, you get about 6 hours on a single charge with noise cancellation on, and the charging case extends this to around 24 hours. That's enough for a full day of commuting, workouts, or relaxation. For daily use, the Beats Fit Pro is lightweight, snug, and comfortable for most ears. The wingtip design ensures they stay in place during exercise or active movement. Touch controls make it easy to play, pause, skip songs, adjust volume, and answer calls. Pairing is smooth, especially with Apple devices, but they also work well with Android phones. Plus, they are sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts. Pros and cons. Pros: strong sound, effective noise cancellation, secure fit, and reliable battery life. Cons: battery life is slightly shorter than some competitors, and some advanced features work best on Apple devices. Conclusion. Overall, the Beats Fit Pro are a solid choice if you want high-quality sound, comfort, and secure fit for both daily use and workouts. They're compact, stylish, and designed to make your audio experience simple and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links for more details.